Anne-Marie Murray, and we are here at day 3 of Mobile World Congress. Joining me today is Paul Webera. He is our Senior Vice President of our Solutions Group. And Paul, I wanted to ask you a question. So one of the things we've been hearing a lot about here, there's a lot of buzz about mobility as a service, or MaaS. Can you tell us a little bit about what exactly that is?
Yeah, thank you, Anne-Marie. Mobility as a service is really 3 things. It's a carrier in airtime, it's a device, and it's all the services that are required to deliver that service within an organization as far as support. So it could be anywhere from ordering the device, staging, kitting. When an end user has a problem, calling into a 24/7 help desk. If you drop and crack your screen, you call into a help desk to get that out to you within 24 hours.
Wow. So that's very interesting. So thank you for that explanation. What I wonder is, what is the real need within the enterprise for a solution such as mobility as a service?
Yeah, that's a great question. And the bottom line is, it simplifies mobility. There are so many factors to managing mobility within enterprises today that it's becoming very challenging for anyone to keep up on it. You've got, which carrier do I pick? What rate plan do I go on? How do my employees who are traveling make sure that they're covered when they leave whatever country is their home country? It's also questions around things like this, like the device and managing them.
Right.
It's purchasing the device. We're offering a leasing program for devices. It's also all the things to do with managing it. As I mentioned just a second ago, if an employee drops and cracks their screen, how do they get that replaced? If they want a operating system, how do they handle it? So it really takes all of those complex questions, puts it into one bundle, and makes it easy. We administer it, and it makes it easy for the customer.
Simple mobility. Sounds great. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thanks a lot, Paul.